Hello everyone, welcome to Education KA channel. Today I have one exercise like on screen. So equation 4 power x plus 3 minus 4 power x minus 1 is equal 255. Before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting video. You see, this exercise is so easy to show it. But I have one message that quickly to show it. So please watch the videos by step by step. So that I have 4 powers x plus 3 and this 4 powers x minus 1. So I can write it 4 powered 4 multiplies 4 powered x minus 1 minus 4 power x minus 1 is equal to 255. This is if use a power m multiplies a power n is equal a power m plus n. And this 4 power 4 multiply 4 power x minus 1 is equal 4 power 4 plus x minus 1. So this 4 minus 1 is equal 3. So we get x plus 3 is like original. So that I can practice this expression. I can take 4 power x minus 1 out. So we get 4 power x minus 1 factors. This 4 power 4 is equal to 256 and minus if we take 4 power x minus 1 out it's equal 1. So it's equal to power 55 and we get 4 powers x minus 1 multiplied 255 equal 255 and we simplify it so we get 4 powers x minus 1 is equal 1. So that x minus 1 is equal 0 because I can write it 4 power 0. So that x is equal 1. So this is our solution. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.